So, first thing you do when you get to a machine, open the door, see a lot of space. A lot of space for your stuff. You have your motor, place for it here. You have your cell phone always on you. Just put it there, somebody calls, it's plain inside. Your snacks over here. Everything there. Let's go. Harness on, then crank it up. See how the machine feels. Oh, that 4-cylinder really wakes up nicely. The first things you notice when you sit in here, the window space. There's a lot of window space, like Olli mentioned. There is to the working area, the lower window is now bigger than it was before on the 600 series, so you can really well see what's going on with the attachment, what the work you're doing. The first key thing to be able to be effective is to see what you can do. Then when you look at the other window space, the B pillar here is smaller than on the previous cabs for 600, so makes it easier to look behind of the machine. So I can see with these the rear of the machine, no problem. Even though I have the AC unit on the back, like we do have on this machine. Other than that, I have my roof window over here. So if I lift the boom all the way up here, there we go. Also telescope it out. You can still see without having to go underneath. You can see perfectly what's going on. Soundproofing on this one is also supreme. You do have the 4-cylinder, obviously it's running really well, but still put on the higher revs, there's no problem to hear at all. Put on the radio, I can listen to it, no problem. So that's quite a big improvement to the older 600 cabs. Let's go, let's have a look how it feels to drive. Let's go. When you're steering here, it does feel like a big machine, even though because of the cab. Obviously there's so much space in this cab, it feels like I have to be sitting on a bigger machine, but yeah, look around then you can barely see the back of the machine, so it's obvious that it's still a very compact machine to work around the tight spaces, and very nimble to work around. Just go over this trash can here, for instance. This, go very close to it, and around, yeah. It will go around. No problem here. Well, there we go. If you want, put on the AC. The AC is really powerful now, so even in really hot weather, it will cool it down really well. Or in the winter, it will warm up really well. So we put a lot of effort on that. The outlets are here on the top, so you can point them to the screen. So if you have rain or difficult weather, you really can get the air going into the place you want it to go. There is one vent in the floor as well, so in the winter time your feet don't get cold. All right, and then let's see if we can find some pile of dirt. We can move around a little bit. All right, here we are with this pile of dirt. Let's see how it works, how it performs here. Go over that. Put it to low gear, get more power to the unit. All the way up. Also telescope it out. You can really see what's happening here. No problem at all. All right, so there you have it. It's pretty much the same familiar 600, although with a lot improved features. The controls are what they used to be. There's no big difference there, but it's just the power and the features of the GT cab which really do the difference. All right, thank you.